What we have here is the Diamond Cut Machine from Wheel Restore. What makes this machine extremely unique and versatile is the fact that it only weighs 450 kilos. It has a footprint of 1 meter times 1 meter. Secondly, our intuitive software really makes the machine usable for anyone at any education level. You do not need to be a CNC operator to utilize this machine. The machine itself, as you see in the software itself, is extremely user-friendly. To highlight this, this is this screen where it says fasten the wheel and remove the center cap. In this case, the machine basically tells us how to fasten the wheel, but also that the center cap should be removed. And this whole flow continues throughout the process of cutting a wheel. The machine can do up to a 30-inch wheel without a tire, but can also do with a tire. Secondly, the machine is built with Schneider Electric componentries. That means that the quality of each individual component is world best and rated for industrial use. Because we believe and know that with the purchase of a diamond cut machine, your business is crucial that it's up and running constantly. That's why we are launching extended warranty packages, but also why we have our service and support set up that basically allows us to monitor the machine on an ongoing level, but also for you or our customers to interact with a global team that are available. Secondly, when we look at the machine here itself, we also have a built-in diagnostic tool that basically allows an operator to get notified if there's any errors occurring, but also to monitor and diagnostic the different parts of the machine himself, because we believe if an operator can solve a problem within 30 seconds without picking up the phone, without having to reach out to anyone, that's the best solution. It's both beneficial for our customers, but it's also beneficial for us. The machine itself consists in a lineup from Wheel Restore with other associated equipments that we all manufacture here in Denmark with the highest quality components that you can find on the market. The machines are all both manufactured, but in fact we also make all of our software in-house. This means that we're constantly developing our software packages to get even better and even easier to use. We distribute our products in 82 markets around the world. We're in all countries around the world where we can support, but that means we are also an experienced business that are used to dealing with different nationalities and doing trainings. The trainings with our machines can either be done through an online session or an on-site session or one of our selected national training centers that we have around the world. When we look at the economics of repairing a wheel, you basically have two consumable items. You have the cutting tip itself that is used to cut into the wheel and shave off any possible damage. And secondly, the scanning tape. This means that we're looking at an average of €2 to cut a wheel from start to finish. In relation to the machine, it has a power consumption of 750 watt, which basically means that it uses less than a microwave in power. That means that it's suitable as well as a static installation as we see here in front of us, also in a mobile setup. The machine itself, all of the individual componentries, as we highlight the X and Y axis, so the up and sideways movement of the machine, is rated for 100,000 kilometers. To put that into perspective, 100,000 kilometers equals that a customer is cutting 30 wheels a day for 100 years. So we will guarantee you that the machine will outlast you. The machine utilizes a laser probing system. The benefit with a laser probing system is that we can scan complex wheels with a high level of accuracy. To put it into perspective, a traditional CNC machine will be utilizing what's called a touch probe system. A touch probe system will generate between 150 to 400 data points across a wheel. With our laser, we're in the thousands upon thousands of data points across a wheel with a higher level of efficiency. That means that it actually takes less time to scan a wheel with our laser than it does with a touch probe. Secondly, with the ease of use of our machine, you can both do corner edges, you can do deburring modes, you can cut with a tire on, you can cut without a tire on. There's endless opportunities with our machine.